Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I'm here again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now first things first, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that a zoo within the country of Jamaica where a lion bite and injured a man does not have a license to operate as an attraction. See, now I'm going to read words from the news article to you, my viewers and subscribers, and please bear in mind that I am not the one saying these things. I'm only going by words that I read in the news article, alright? Now, the news article said, Jamaica Zoo, where a lion recently ripped off the finger of a taunting employee, does not have a license to operate as an attraction. The Tourism Product Development Company, TPDCO, has confirmed that the news article said, of viewers and subscribers. See, another part of the news article said that, in fact, the state agency said that zoo owner Paul Ferran, who is listed as one of 3 directors according to Company's Office of Jamaica Records, was never in receipt of an attraction permit to operate. And on me said these things, no viewers and subscribers, and the news article said these things. And in my point of view, if these things that the news article said are true, then I think that whosoever owned the zoo might be in some form of trouble. Might be. You understand? However, I did some research about the whole situation, of viewers and subscribers, and I saw a post on the National Environment and Planning Agency Instagram page, of viewers and subscribers. You understand? And I'm going to read words from the post as well. Now, the post said that on Monday, the 23rd of May, the year 2022, a multi-agency team consisting of representatives of the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, NEPA, the Veterinary Services Division, VSD, and Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, JSPCA, visited the Jamaica Zoo Attraction Limited, located in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth, that's within the country of Jamaica. The visit was in response to videos currently in circulation on social media, which were said to be captured at the facility over the weekend, and to investigate the circumstances of the occurrence. The team met with the owner and operator of the zoo and his support staff. The facility is in possession of 2 environmental permits under the National Resources Conservation Authority Act. See? And the post also name out permits and said other things as well, viewers and subscribers. But I'm not going to read the other words that I saw in the post, because some of them words are too big for me. So me and say, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, but on a real, the situation really and truly is somewhat serious. Yeah, man. And more have to ask you something, you see? Now, for example, if someone work at a zoo, or if someone have some form of contract to work at a zoo, and if that person got injured by an animal at the zoo, even if the person was taunting or teasing the animals in, and if the zoo do not have any permit or license to do certain thing or things, is it possible that that situation could put the injured person in a position to take legal action against the zoo? Let me know what you think in the comment section of this video, viewers and subscribers. Alright, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw a video that shows a certain amount of persons throwing bottles and probably other objects at each other. And some Jamaicans might call the situation shown in the video a battle war. Now, for those who don't know what some Jamaicans call a battle war, to some Jamaicans, battle war means that when 2 or groups of persons throw bottles and or probably other objects at each other with the intention to hurt each other. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica the video had been recorded, and I don't have any information as to when the video had been recorded. And in the video, you can hear a large group of persons singing words from a song that had been done by 2 musicians who goes by the name of Skeng and Tamale Sparta. Now, viewers and subscribers, for you to get a better understanding about the video that I'm talking about, I am going to present to you piece of the audio from the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Here's the audio. Listen and observe. Alright, so there is piece of the audio from the video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, in my point of view, I think that the video shows a serious situation. The video also shows a female holding on to a child, viewers and subscribers. And the video also shows at least two persons who I think are minors. You see it? So I'm talking about this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because of the situation shown in the video, and also because the video raises concerns on social media. See? The fact that you could hear a certain amount of persons singing a certain type of song before a certain amount of persons start throwing glass bottles and probably other objects at each other raises concerns on social media as well. So let me know what you think about that situation, alright? I'm going to move on to another topic. So I got information that the musician who goes by the name of Skeng was arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica on the 24th of May, the year 2022. I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that the Jamaica Constabulary Force made a post on social media saying that the musician who goes by the name of Skeng was charged with disorderly behavior and resisting arrest. Now, I'm going to present an audio to you, my viewers and subscribers, and in this audio, a person talk about the musician who goes by the name of Skeng, and he explained some things that he said Skeng had done. Now, viewers and subscribers, I cannot confirm if the things that the person said in this audio are accurate, and I cannot confirm if the things that the person said in this audio are true. No, I cannot, alright? But the audio is being talked about on social media. So you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, alright? Listen and observe.
Brother, judge that. The man that even understand himself that guy come round today, book a flight, late for the flight. Boom bam bam, a agent bring him round. So we did a bam 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 bam. Him have a cream, bleaching cream. So the man might tell him say, yo, bad shot, this can't go. Cause them cream are over the amount. You understand? So you have to take it and bring it out back and put it in your check bag where go underneath the plane. And the man grab back the cream from the officer and go on round there. Yeah, I tell you, I've got suck out this and got suck out that and big old girl and police boy me we do this and be a thing the man a go on with, brother. Be a thing, one bleaching cream.
My people, listen.
The road manager say, yo, should we take it and bring it back out? Oh, me no want nobody tell me that, baby.
Okay.
Dan, me no know. Me have to wonder, what go on? Where the artist step on? You understand what the wrong place that him come try that, brother?
Alright, now to cut a long story short, and in my words, and according to how I understand some things that the person said in the audio, I got the understanding that he said that Skeng took off his shirt and behaved certain ways, and that Skeng said that if I never yasso, I assume that he meant the airport. Wow, that happened, and not until him see the bangle them throw on pan him hand, him come to some form of realization during subscribers. So me I say, I assume that the person means handcuffs. You see me I say? Yeah, and the person say hand. Really and truly, when it comes to handcuffs, that would involve hands. You see what I say? Anyways, the person also said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that Skeng got pepper sprayed and that he also break down and cry. And that a officer said to Skeng that the whole thing didn't have to reach this far. And in the audio, the person said the word we more than once. So I assume that he is saying that he was there when the whole situation or the whole thing happened. You see me I say? But viewers and subscribers, me just explain to you in my words according to how I understand some things that the person said in the rest of the audio. You understand? Yeah, so please bear in mind that the things that the person said in the audio, viewers and subscribers, I cannot confirm if they are true, and I cannot confirm if they are accurate. I just want to make that be very clear. But just I make you know about the audio, because the audio is out there on social media. Alright? Anyways, next topic. Now I am going to present a video to you that's going to show something that is said to be a homemade gun. The video is going to show when a police officer from within the country of Jamaica was holding the thing that is said to be a homemade gun. Now, I don't have any confirmed information if the police within the country of Jamaica had seized or found the homemade gun, viewers and subscribers. And I didn't get any confirmed information if anyone had been taken into police custody because of this thing that is said to be a homemade gun. But the video has been talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about this video as well. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Laser light, the boss can't miss. Watch out, go on. The boss have on the safety. Put it on it. Take off the safety after I miss what go on.
Look. Don't catch it tonight.
Load, safety off. Hot tool.
Look at that. Why is it that some persons feel like they need to have a gun? Me not like gun, you know. No, in my point of view, whoever make that really go through some trouble just to have something that can move like a gun or do what a gun do. Who have time for that? No, sir. I don't know what that my people, but Jah know. Well, if I got boy and if I fire bullets, me find it dangerous. You understand? Well, I just I left it here, my people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.